In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process of using www.template.net in conjunction with Google to seamlessly create, customize, and download aesthetically pleasing documents. This guide is perfect for those looking to enhance their document templates with minimal effort. To start, let's head over to template.net's Aesthetic Notes template. It's an online repository filled with stylish and easily customizable templates. Once there, you'll notice a variety of formats such as Word, Pages, and Google Docs. For today's example, we'll be focusing on using Google Docs due to its ease of use and accessibility from any device with an internet connection. Click on the option for Google Docs to proceed to the next step. Now that we've selected our preferred format, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. Click on this option to begin the integration process. This step is important as it not only solidifies the connection between template.net and your Google account, but also facilitates the seamless workflow we'll be creating. Next, you'll need to log in with your Google credentials. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be asked to do so now. This step ensures that your document is directly tied to your account, making it accessible and editable at any time. Remember to use an account with the necessary permissions if you're working within a restricted domain. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected back to the template. Here, click on Make a Copy. This action will generate a personal copy of the template directly into your Google Drive. It's a crucial step to personalize and tailor the template according to your specific needs. Once the copy opens in Google Docs, you're ready to begin customization. Take your time to modify the text, adjust the formatting, and insert any additional elements you deem necessary. Google Docs offers a robust suite of editing tools that allow for comprehensive changes, so feel free to get creative. When you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Click on the File menu in the top left corner of Google Docs. In the drop-down menu, look for the Download option. This will allow you to export your newly customized document in various formats. For the final step, select PDF Document PDF from the list that appears under the download options. Saving as a PDF ensures that your document retains its formatting across different devices and platforms, making it perfect for professional or sharing purposes. And there you have it. You've just created, customized, and downloaded an aesthetically pleasing document using resources from template.net and Google. This workflow not only streamlines the process of creating attractive documents, but also highlights the effectiveness of integrating online resources with cloud-based platforms.